While Russians are continuing their barbaric campaign against the civilian power grid in Ukraine, with a cowardly attempt to force civilians to surrender, Ukraine keeps attacking legitimate military targets with precision strikes. So Ukrainian forces re-attack the rail yard and another target in occupied Shakhtarsk. 4 tanks with gasoline with a capacity of 60 tons are on fire. The information is that the strike is conducted with HIMARS. And the fire is still not extinguished, still burning. Russia 24 correspondent Boris Maksudov filmed a report after the nighttime explosions in Shakhtarsk and showed the location, after which the armed forces of Ukraine corrected the fire and finished off the remaining fuel tanks. And this is not the first time that kind of failure to happen to Russians. Their operational awareness is simply unexisting. On the other battlefields, Ukrainian artillery destroys Russian BMD-2 hidden in a hangar. For all who wondered what happened with the Javelin strikes in Ukraine, they are still here. Lyubov, which means love, is the first woman which become a commander of an artillery unit in Ukraine's army. Here she is standing on the wreckage of Russian military vehicles that her unit has destroyed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.